Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best motorcycle covers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is XYZCtem All-Season Black Motorcycle Cover. It comes designed to fit nearly all standard-sized on- and off-road bikes, including Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, Kawasaki, to name but a few. The cover is designed using quality materials, namely 210D Oxford fabric plus PU materials. This gives it superior durability while making it non-abrasive, super soft, water-repellent, and lightweight. The indoor-outdoor cover is so large that it will offer full coverage for your bike from top to bottom. And this translates to keeping your motorcycle fully protected against rain, dust, heat, the harmful UV rays, tree sap, and inclement weather. What's more, it will allow your bike to breathe while covering it, preventing condensation, fading of the paint job, or cracking of your seat bike. Note the 2 aluminum lock holes with 2 windproof buckles which hold the cover into place, ensuring it doesn't become loose and expose your motorcycle. Installing this cover on your bike is quite easy and straightforward. The included reusable bag with drawstring will help you conveniently store this cover when not protecting your bike. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dowco Guardian 51222300 Plus Motorcycle Cover. If you're looking for 100% waterproof motorcycle cover, this Dowco Guardian 51222300 Plus will not let you down. Designed in the USA using quality materials and craftsmanship, this all-weather cover is highly waterproof and breathable to protect your bike against rain, mildew, and UV rays fading effects. The cover is constructed of heavy-duty ClimaShield Plus fabric protection, a 300D polyester solution dyed, with durable, water-resistant topcoat, offering your bike the ultimate protection against rain and the sun's damaging UV rays. Users of this cover also rave about its reflective moisture guard vent system. Apart from allowing the moisture to escape and preventing buildup under the cover, this system's reflective capability helps increase nighttime visibility so motorists don't knock your baby. The soft cotton protects your bike's windshield while the heat shield keeps them shielded from warm pipes, allowing for immediate use after riding. You'll love how this cover snugly hugs your bike and stays in place even in the event of strong winds. This is made possible by the elastic shock cord plus polyester webbing belly strap sewn into the cover's bottom. Number 3. Our third best pick is Tokept Black and Orange Motorcycle Cover. Tokept Black and Orange Motorcycle Cover is the best motorcycle cover whose quality rises far beyond the set price. It comes ready to fit bikes around 116 inches, including Kawasaki, Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Harley-Davidson cruisers, to name but a few. The cover features black and orange colors, with no logos and writings, giving it a genuinely sleek and elegant look. It's made from 100% non-abrasive, mildew-resistant, lightweight, waterproof, and super soft 180T Oxford fabric. Quality craftsmanship was invested in this cover for enhanced performance. This is evident from double-stitched seams which offer superior protection to your bike against wind, water, dirt, UV rays, and other pollutants. Since this cover also comes with an integrated elastic hem, with bungee cord bottom, it promotes a snug fit around your bike for enhanced protection. Note that you can easily lock the bottom via the included eyelets to prevent loss of your cover to the wind and even thieves. If you buy this cover, you'll get a free, convenient storage bag for hassle-free storage or transportation of your cover. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Opamoo Motorcycle Scooter Cover. If you're still looking for the best waterproof motorcycle cover for your scooter, here's another great option at an incredibly affordable cost. This particular cover is designed to fit multiple motorcycles up to 96 inches, including all scooters, mopeds Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, Ducati, BMW, and Kawasaki. Like all the other covers listed above, this model comes fully dedicated to protecting elements from attacking your bike and affecting its overall looks and performance. It's made using high-density 210D Oxford fabric, which is weather-resistant, tear-proof, and wear-resistant. Not to forget double-stitched seam, which is completely rip-proof and durable than most of the covers in the same price range. Something quite amazing about this cover is its superior water-resistant performance. It can withstand water pressure as high as 2,000 pascals, ensuring your bike doesn't come into contact with rain, which can seriously damage most of its parts. Thanks to the included dual lock holes, you can easily lock your bike in place to prevent theft. The adjustable heavy-duty tie-down straps plus quick-release buckles ensure that the cover doesn't sag and flap in terrible weather. And the elastic cord ensures a snug fit for your bike. Did we mention this cover is machine washable? This means that taking care of it is a breeze. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Moto All-Season Motorcycle Cover. Let's close our motorcycle cover reviews with this all-season motorcycle cover. Designed to fit most of the motorcycles up to 96.5 inches, this cover can be used both indoors and outdoors and protects your bike from both the elements and unwanted hands. One of the unique things about this cover is its interior silver lining. Yes, it has a silver coating on the inside which helps offer unparalleled protection against rain, dust, sun's UV rays, snow, etc. This cover will ensure your bike remains clean and dry for as long as you wish. It also features adjustable, sturdy tie-down straps with a quick-release buckle to prevent it from sagging or flapping in the wind. The bottom also features an elastic cord to ensure a snug fit around your motorcycle. The anti-theft lock hole will fit all kinds of motorcycle holes to ensure no unwanted thieves will prey on your baby. Moreover, locking down your bike makes it more windproof. The presence of 3 reflective stripes on this cover helps increase your bike's visibility when you park it anywhere at night. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.